Hi mates, welcome to today's video. So in this video we'll be learning how to make this biker shorts. It's a very easy and a simple tutorial. So first thing I did was to cut out a fabric of length 12 and width 10. So the length of this fabric is 12 and the wideness is 10. This is the center of the fabric. I have two of it here, so I went ahead and folded it into two. Next thing I did was to mark out 1.5 inches, which will be serving as the, so this is where I will be putting the elastic for the waist. So from that line I went down by 8 inches. This will serve as the crotch length, and from that center line I went inward with 8 inches too. So this for the lap measurement. So I took that 8 inches upwards and connected it into a straight line. And next thing I will do is to curve it out. Just give it a little curve like so. It's a very easy and a simple short. So I'll be folding the hem like so with 1/2 inch. After this I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this is what we have here. You have two of it here. So one will be serving as the front and the other part as the back. So next thing I will do is to fold the down part, that's the hem of this short. I'll fold it with 1/4 inch, and this is what it looks like after sewing. I went ahead to cut out 9 inches elastic that I'll be using to sew at the hem part. So I have 9 inches elastic. From the hem of the short I'll mark out 1 inch and I'll connect it into a straight line. So please, if you watch up to this point and you derive any value in this video, please encourage me by liking this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Please, this is just a little way of encouraging me to make more videos. So I will connect this into a straight line. This is where I'll be placing the elastic. I will do same thing to the other leg of the short too. So this is what it looks like after sewing the elastic on it. I will place both legs together, right side facing each other, and I will go ahead and sew this crotch part. So this cuff part I will sew it, and I will also do same thing to the other side. And I've done that. This is what it looks like. So I will fold it out like so, and I will sew this inner crotch with 1/2 inch. And after that I'll go ahead to fold in the 1.5 inches allowance I gave. So I'll take 1/2 inch in and I'll fold it like so. I'll leave a space of about 1 inch. That's where I'll be passing the elastic through. I have 17 inches elastic here, and here is my pin. So I'll be passing it through with the pin. So if you watch up to this point, I just want to use this moment to appreciate you for watching this video. I'm just starting out, so you watching my video means a lot to me. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. So after that I will sew the elastic and seal up the space I use in passing it, and that's the end of today's video. This is the outcome of the biker short. Thank you so much for watching. This is something you can sew for your nephew, your niece, and you can also sew it in large quantity for sale. So have a nice day. Bye.